right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their LED desk lamp. High color rendering, 3-color lighting, USB power, dimmable, and eye caring. Nothing else around the box, just the same picture there on the back and the little sticker there. So let's open it up. Lots of stuff. So we'll slide it all out. That's it for the box. So we have an included little manual, brightness up, brightness down, color, temperature, table lamp switch. And then this is the actual, wow. Let me get this plastic off, and then of course we'll clip this on the side of a desk and show you exactly what this looks like at nighttime, because we can just plug it into any USB port to get power. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so we hit our power button. Power button's at the bottom, mode is in the middle, and brightness up and down is top and bottom. So that's lowest brightness, that's maximum brightness. The modes is that color, that color, that color. So 3 different modes, and then off and on. So definitely very nice, gives off a good amount of brightness. If I go to widescreen, you can really see how much it's really lit up the room, and it plugs in simply with a USB cable. So you really can't beat that. 2 thumbs up to this LED desk lamp, definitely bright enough for what you'll need. Thanks again to the company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.